Inilah dia beef bulgogi kimchi bowl. Let's cook the healthy low sugar rice using the Panasonic rice cooker. Okay, put the steamer rack into the rice pot. Pour in the rice. Pour in the water till the 2-cup mark. Okay, so right now we select the healthy low sugar function and press the start button. Okay, jom marinate the beef here. Alright, so with the ingredients, we have sugar here, garlic, spring onion, sesame oil, soy sauce, and black pepper. Just mix everything so that it's all well mixed, well combined in there. And I'm going to put this into the prime freeze. Okay, our beef is well marinated in the prime freeze, and now I'm going to just put it on the tray and grill it in the QB oven. Okay, saya kasih susun beef tu. Memang sedap lah daging ni. Dah diperap selama 15 minit dalam prime freeze using the quick cooling function. Okay, dah susun semua. Then sekarang kita akan masukkan dalam QB oven. Okay, so put it on the top shelf. Put for 6 minutes. Okay, our beef is ready. Just look at that. Wow. Okay, daging kita dah siap. Wih, bau sedap ni. Wih. Dah nak makan. Okay, so I have some cucumbers here, the carrot. Okay, baru kita letak kimchi. Kimchi kita boleh letak kat tengah. Okay, masukkan telur. Sedapnya. Okay, last but not least, a bit of sesame around it to give that lovely colour and taste. Okay, dah siap dah. Kita dah tak payah pergi Korea, kita boleh masak ni kat rumah. Enjoy!